Recording in progress.
Yes, yesterday we did about the role of the cholesterol in the cell membrane. Can you just tell me what are the basic, just in 2 minutes, the basic things?
Cholesterol,
Mm-hmm.
cholesterol maintains membrane fluidity
Mm-hmm.
by venting it. It prevents it from being too tightly packed when it's too cold,
Mm-hmm.
and when it's too hot, it prevents it from being too loosely packed. Because if it's too tightly packed, there will be a decrease in fluidity, and then if it's too loosely packed, there will be an increase in fluidity. So it maintains the membrane fluidity.
Okay. Now, after that, we have to discuss about the role of glycolipids and glycoproteins. We have discussed the role of phospholipid and cholesterol in detail, and also one of the function of glycolipid we have discussed earlier. If you see this image over here, where is this? Wait a minute. Yeah, this one. If you remember this one, this is what is this molecule known as? What is the name of this molecule?
That's a glycoprotein.
Yes, and what is the function of this?
The function
Mm-hmm.
it like cell to its
Mm-hmm.
recognition.
It is written over here. We have discussed it that it acts as a ligand receptor. This glycoprotein is a transmembrane. Why it is known as transmembrane? Because it can laterally move from left to right or from right to left within the cell membrane. And it is a ligand receptor. It responds to some particular type of ligands. And we have discussed ligand. What can be the ligands in our body? What are the and what is a ligand?
It's a
Mm-hmm.
molecule that sends signals.
Yeah, it is a signaling molecule, and it can be a ligand can be
Hormones. Neur-
hormones, neurotransmitters, or any type of drug medicine you are taking. Okay, so that ligand, when it will try to enter the cell membrane, it will first attach to this glycoprotein. Okay, so this glycoprotein serves as the ligand receptor. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the role of the glycoprotein and glycolipids in detail. Role of glycolipids and glycoproteins. Firstly, as we have discussed, that they act as the receptor molecules. Okay, this is the most important function of them. They act as we are not talking about all the functions of glycolipids and glycoproteins. We are specifically talking about their role in the cell membrane. So within the cell membrane, they act as the receptor molecules. Okay,
Yeah.
and then, what does it mean if they ask you how glycolipid or glycoprotein act as a receptor molecule? So what can be your answer? You will say that these molecules they will bind those ligands, they will bind the hormones or they will bind hormone or drug with them, and then they will respond to it. Okay, so they act
Okay.
as a receptor molecule. How they will act? You will say the glycolipids and glycoproteins, they they bind receptor molecules with them. They want not the receptor molecule, they want ligand molecule because they itself are receptors. You know the difference between ligand and receptor? They want ligand molecules.
It's a type of receptor protein.
No, receptor is something which will produce a response. Okay, like the glycoproteins. We are talking about the glycoproteins. They are receptors. They may allow the drug to enter, or sometimes they may stop the drug from entering the cell. So this glycoprotein is specifically a receptor. Okay, what are receptors? Receptors are those things which respond to something, which produce a particular response. And what is a ligand? Ligand is that molecule, the hormone or the drug or the neurotransmitter, which is a signaling molecule, which has to make a change in the cell.